So, you're considering attending or sending your team to the BlueEQ Workshop. Let's talk about it. You've heard about IQ, something you probably credit the quality of your life to. What if I told you that your IQ is underperforming? Well, it is. That is, unless you've been investing in your emotional intelligence, or EQ. EQ is the delivery system for your IQ. If you have a low EQ, your ability to fully engage your IQ is dramatically diminished. Actually, your emotional intelligence is the single greatest predictor of your success. Yes, you heard right. Blue EQ's core logic is that high emotional intelligence leads to psychological safety, which accelerates both your career and your ability to create positive impact. There's a reason Blue EQ has trained participants from companies like Amazon, Pfizer, Harvard, IKEA, and Microsoft, and many, many more. In fact, Google performed research for 2 years to find the most important drivers of performance. The number one driver? Psychological safety. So, what is psychological safety? It's feeling safe to discuss ideas, experiment, take risks, give feedback, and learn from mistakes. We call it a blue zone, and we all want to be a part of it. At the workshop, you will have the opportunity to take the Blue EQ Emotional Intelligence Assessment. Its innovative heat map will allow you to easily interpret your results and quickly turn those results into action. Using the heat map, you will experience a personalized, highly interactive, discovery based process where you will learn tools and techniques for emotional intelligence, all while having time for mastering skills. The workshop itself's a blue zone, interactive and engaging, an environment where your voice will be heard, your input valued, and where learning happens in real time and is immediately applicable. Blue EQ's workshop is considered the best in the industry, and you will come away with a written plan that will generate massive impact in both your home and professional life. So, should you invest in yourself by attending a Blue EQ workshop? Do you want to redefine your life with high engagement, increased trust, collaboration, greater innovation, and high performance? Well, now you know how. Welcome to Blue EQ. To find out more, contact us at info@blueeq.com.